Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Z60 Ultra, and today I will show you how we can go through the setup process of this phone. So when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with the Hi There screen, where you get to choose your desired language, and then you can select Start. Next, you have the option to connect to Wi-Fi network. Now this step is completely optional, and you can skip it or select Setup Offline, which is basically the same thing. Now, by skipping Wi-Fi connection page and also not inserting a SIM card, then throughout the setup process, you will not have a Google login page show up, and you won't be able to restore the device from a backup, Google backup specifically, and also date and time might not be set correctly. So I'm gonna skip both of those. It actually gives you a pop-up letting you know, so sign in to your Google account, restore app and data, and get software updates, automatically set up date and time. So these are the things that we'll be lacking by skipping. And here's the date and time. Next, we have Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now, if you don't want those, you can turn them all off, though, to be honest, it's Google, so hell knows how if they're actually going to stop gathering the data that you don't want them to. Doubtful. Anyway, next we have privacy policy. You can tap on the blue text right here, system update privacy policy, to read exactly what you're agreeing to, and then you can select agree. Next we have device security, so this allows you to select different protection methods to your device, and those would be face recognition, fingerprint, and PIN pattern or password. Now if you're planning to set up either face recognition or fingerprint or both, you will always be required to select a physical way of unlocking the device, that be PIN, pattern, or password. And the reason for that is, if something were to happen to you, like your biometrics, meaning your face or your fingerprint or both, you would lose access to the device. So that would leave you with the third method, being PIN, pattern, or password, which don't have an option of changing based on your biometrics. Now I'll be skipping this, so let's select skip. And then next you have system and navigation, so just choose which navigation system you prefer. You have gestures and virtual buttons. I'm gonna stick with gestures, which is what I prefer more. And as you can see, this finishes up the setup. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.